school.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ito guys, galing sa school ni Christian kahapon. Free lang siya.
No, what do, Mommy?
I want to see. Bakit wet? Ito yung galing sa freezer ito. Yeah.
What kind? What is he, Mommy?
It's not just a bread.
What do you want kind of
Wait,
bread?
it's just a white bread.
That?
It's wet. Look, oh. Right. Hindi ako gagamit ng pram, guys. So, maglalakad kami. Ito na yung gagamitin ko. Si Ayla. Hi, guys, auntie. Hi, online titas.
Who's saying?
Are you done now?
Who's
Mag-eat
saying?
na ka nun. So, ito na yung gagamitin ko, guys.
Saying?
Wait na, because we're going na. Nakabalik na kami ni Ayla, guys, from school ni Christian. Ngayon, magpapalit tayo ng tubig. Kasi, hindi na siya mainit. Yan. Okay na yan. Nakaka-help kasi talaga ito, guys. And, everyday. Hindi na ako mag-on ng kettle all the time. Yan. Oh! Okay. Tapos, nakuha na rin namin ni Ayla yung kanyang prescription. Ayan. Yung gamot niya yung sa paa niya na chinay kahapon. Yung isang araw pala. Ito yung, ito yung cream. So, nakalagay dyan, guys, is prescription exemption. So, libre ang mga bata dito, guys, no? Libre sila. So, ang pangalan ng cream is Doctarine. Doctarine? Doctarine. So, para sa fungal daw. Fungal infection for skin and nails. Yeah, so we're gonna try this. Ayla, you got cream now for your feet? Yeah? Are you excited to put it? Naririnig ko si Ayla, guys. Nag-ano siya, nagsiscream siya. Doon siya sa Moses niya. Check natin. Hi! Hi! Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? What? Is that cry or scream? Is that crying or screaming? Ayla, you got lots of toys. Oh, Pinky here. There's a Pinky. There's a Lulu. And there's a book here. Look, you got book. Oopsie daisy. Pinky's gone down. You got dummy? Yeah. So, mommy can fix the clothes to wash. Okay? Mag-behave na si Ayla, okay? Busy na ang mama. Busy na si mami, Ayla. Daming trabaho si mami. Damo gid obra si mami, subong mo. Can you behave for a little while? Is Ayla gonna behave for a little while for mommy? Okay? Say, yes, mommy. Say, yes, mommy. There you go, lo. Na-excite na naman sipa siya, guys. Na-excite. Ay, hindi ko naayos itong niya. Here you go. Sige lang, lagyan ko ng cream mamaya. Okay, you there, okay? Stay there. Ayla gonna stay there. Okay, Ayla. See you namin. So, ito yung lalabahan natin. Bali, anuhin ko pala itong mga decolor. Unahin ko itong mga puti, guys. Yung mga puti. Tapos yung mga decolor, dyan muna sila. Grabe si Ayla. Nagano si Ayla ba? Nalaro niya sarili niya. Nagagalit niya, guys, diba? Italabahan ko na ito kay Ayla din ito na may suka kasi ito na Christian. Yes! Ito kay Ayla. Just playmate. Right, ito second batch. Second batch ito. Coming. Right. Grabe. Ano? Galit na si Ayla. Okay, mommy's coming soon. Hala, what is that scream? What is that scream for? Eh? Ito si Ayla naman eh. Ito si Ayla naman eh. So, paano ako magkatrabaho dito? Paano ako hugas ng pinggan? Tingnan mo yung ano mo oh. I need to wash your bottle as well. Look. So, you're gonna wash it, your bottle. Can you wash your bottle? Yeah? You're just looking at but we need to wash it, Ayla. Okay? So, let's go! Sundo na tayo kay Kuya Christian! Kuya Christian! Sunduin na! So, alas dos. Alas dos, ano na guys? 2:45. Sunduin na natin si Christian. Yes, I know. Wait. You're next. I know. Bag ka na lang, Ayla, ha? Huwag na tayo mag-pram para mabilis. Wala namang ulan. Okay? Gonna use the bag. Ito yung gamitin ko, guys, kasi mabilis lang siya. Lalo pag naglalakad. Kasi, yung pram pagod magtulak. Ito para mabilis lang si Ayla dito sa akin. Yes, lagyan natin si Ayla sa kanyang tang 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 tang. Karayo si Ayla. Laba ko kayo guys para makita si baby Ayla. Ang baby Ayla natin. Ayan. Come on. Come on na. That's it. There you go. We're going to pick up Kuya Christian. Gusto talaga ni Ayla to pag lumabas eh. Gusto talaga ni Ayla ito pag nalabas eh. Ayusin natin tong camera. Yan. Yan. Okay. That's it. That's it. That's it. Mabilisan ito, no? Kasi yung walk namin ni Ayla is 13 minutes lang siya. At nandun na kami sa school ni Kuya Christian. Oh, naiyak siya. Okay, come on. Yung shoes ko pa pala. Hindi ko pa naano yung shoes ko. Yes, really. Ang hirap na tayo na. Ay! Ang hirap. Ang hirap dito, Ayla. Is it sure? Hot. Let's put some shoes on. Ayan, mag-shoes na. Ang init. Nainitan ako sa jacket, guys. So, bilis na ako mainitan. Uy. So, ano on ko yung light. Ayan. Naon na yung lights. Diyan na muna kayo guys. Sorry guys, nagalaw-galaw kayo dyan. Ilagay ko na yung sapatos natin. Yan. Other one. Sapatos. Okay. So yeah, let's go. Let's go guys. Hando na tayo ng ating knockers. Hando tayo na. Dala tayo ng tissue. Kasi minsan si Kuya Christian. May sipon ba? Maghahanap siya ng tissue. Sige na guys, dito na muna. Isa tayo. Hi Ayla and Mommy. Sundo-sundo na kay Kuya Christian. Yung ano pala niya, yung sombrero niya nahuhulog. So, sundo na tayo kay Kuya Christian. Dito tayo daan. Ayan, si Christian maghingi ng ano, ng tinapay. Ayaw umuwi. Christian, what do you want from Auntie? Cookie? You think Auntie got one?
Which one do you want? Want this one?
Wow.
No?
Wow, Diyos ko, Christian, don't be choosy.
Black one.
The black one. Wow. Yummy. What you gotta say? Thank you, Auntie. O, sige na. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Ayan.
Daddy, bye.
Cookie. Is it yummy? Good. Si Ayla tulog. Ayla is sleeping. Oh, there's a bike in. Be careful, there's a bike. Yeah, there's a bike. We're going home. How's the school? How was school? Christian? Is it good? Good day today? Right. Yung ano, yung mga dahon is nawawala na. Kasi winter time na guys. Ganon yun dito pag winter time. Wala na, kalbo na silang lahat. Ganon. Where are you? You go na quick. So, malapit na kami guys. Siguro mga 10 minutes pa. Papuntang bahay. Where are you, kid? Quick. Christian. Christian is enjoying the cookie from Auntie Cora.
Yeah, mommy.
Hmm?
Over here, mommy. Over here, mommy.
What's up?
What is it?
Ah, they're building. They're fixing the building. They're fixing the house.
That's it.
Yeah, that's a care home. You went there before, right?
In there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Christmas carol. You sing a Christmas carol there?
In there?
Yeah, he does. So si Ayla
Daddy
tulog.
book?
Tulog si Ayla. Yeah.
A daddy book?
Yeah.
No, the cat.
So yan ang care home daw. Tinatanong ni King. Ano daw nangyari? Sabi ko, pinifix nila yan. Renovation. Sorry? Yeah. Come on na. Let's go. So, tinan nyo guys ang iyaking nating baby. Bakit naiyak ang baby pag ilagay sa Moses? Paano si mami makatrabaho nito? Pag ganito tayo. Ayan. So, si Ayla ay iyak ng iyak, guys. Kasi gusto ni Ayla magpabuhat kay Mami. Kararating lang namin galing pagsundo kay Kuya Christian. Uy, Christian, you got fruits there. You got fruits. Wait, I'm gonna give you the fruits. Here, in your lovely bowl. Ito na yung merienda ni Christian. Fruits, guys. Ayan. Go, put in the table. Spicy. Kinakain kasi niya yung prawn crackers na spicy flavor. Sabi niya, kasi mas spicy daw. So, yung mga naririnig yun na maingay, guys, yung washing machine pa rin yan ay nagtatrabaho sa mga damit namin. Kasi nga, wala na kami mga damit kasi puro nalabahan talaga. So, ito pang baby, hindi pa magpalagay. Paano si mama makaubrasin ni? Kaya hindi man si Ayla magpabutang. So, paano si mama magkahugas ng pinggan, magluto? Kay si Ayla man, naghibi-hibi man si Ayla, guys. Oh, lala. Oh, lala. Oh, lala. Mwah. Mwah. Si Kuya Christian. Nagmimerienda siya, guys. Ito si Kuya Christian. Nagmimerienda ng kanyang Show to auntie. What are you having? Are you having some fruits?
No, I'm
Yes.
crack.
Fruits.
Crack.
Crab? No, that's not crab.
Okay.
It's a fruits.
Okay.
Ayan. So, guys. What's that for? Don't cool. Don't cool, Nanay. Nanay is sleeping now.
Wow.
Is she sleeping? Nanay is sleeping now. Nakabat na si Ayla. At si Kuya Christian ready na to bed. So, what time is? 5 o'clock ng gabi. Ayan si Ayla, guys. Tinan nyo. Nakabat na siya. Fresh na ang baby ni Mami, oh. Fresh na ang baby. Si Kuya gabi. Yan yung buhok ni Ayla, guys. Nagkukulutan na. Lumalabas ng tunay na kulay ng buhok. Ang tunay na kulot. Tunay. Cute kaya yung kulot na yan. Huwag kayo. Ang kulot na yan is cute yan. Di ba, Ayla? Say, yes, Mommy. Yes, Mommy. Say hi, online aunties. Say hi, online aunties. Say hi. Smile. Say cheese. Hindi pa natulala. Right. Good night na everybody. Bye-bye na. Magbabat na rin ako, guys. Ay, magsha-shower pala ako. Hindi ako pwede magbat. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe para kayo ay ma-monify. Para kayo ay ma-notify pag meron kayong bagong YouTube channel. Ay, meron kayong bagong YouTube video. See you tomorrow in the next vlog. Bye-bye! Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.